Right, here's some close-up of 1965 Alcort Sunfish wave bow repair and her starboard side. We got the piece from our sister ship Sally, grafted in. Just thickened epoxy in the seams. First coat of fairing has gone down on some of the screw holes. And we basically faired little gaps in the seam with another bead of Thixo and just finished sanding that off this morning. So on the surface it's flat and smooth, and I'm going to come back with another round of fairing. Using Total Boat's TotalFair. It's epoxy based fairing compound. Shown it in other videos, but for those that are just joining in this first video, then fairing compound's softer than like a thickened epoxy. Well, it depends on what filler you put in your epoxy. You can put fairing fillers or you can put structural fillers. The Thixo's more of a structural product. This TotalFair creates a fairing compound that's easier to sand. So we put Thixo in to fill up the rest of the seam for its structural qualities, and now over the top, just for looks, we do the fairing filler just to make everything flat, smooth, and can do a primer on the top of that and go to painting. So we're going to mix up these two parts now and get to work putting another coating on to wave.